Hi, let's change the battery on this fossil watch. It's my friend's watch. He wants me to resize the bracelet too. So let's take out this. But first I'm gonna change the battery, then I'm gonna do the bracelet. You see, you have this notch here. You can put something like a knife. I have a tool for it. You just snap it out. The tools that I use here are from AliExpress. I will put the link down if you want to buy. And yeah, click that subscribe button while you're here. Here is the battery. You have this little notch, or I don't know how to say it. You just need to pull it back aside and the battery will automatically snap out. And there it goes. Now let's put the new one. I advise you to buy expensive batteries. If you buy low quality batteries, you can damage the watch. So go for the expensive ones. And it works, okay. Now let's put all back together. This watch has a chronograph on it, so you have to watch out to align the pins that are for chronograph, right? And now you just press this down. For the most watches it will work, but this is a little bigger watch. You can put some glass on it so you can evenly distribute the weight. I have this tool for it. It just presses down equally from all sides. And that's it for the watch. And now I need to resize the bracelet. I will just need to put out, I think, one link. See, there is a pin on it. You just push it out like this. And now you just need to align the holes on these links and you just put the pin in. Sometimes it goes smooth, sometimes you need to use the hammer for it and just hammer it till it goes all in. And yeah, here's the watch. All works. Let's check the other buttons. Okay. That's it. Thank you. Subscribe. Don't forget that.